PPP loan. My name is QUiNTiN Banks. If you guys got questions, feel free to drop those questions, comments, concerns below. You guys already know a lot of financial institutions are watching my content. So if you guys got questions if you guys do got questions, all you guys got to do is drop them below, because it does look like a lot of financial institutions watch my content. Now let's get right to this, because a lot of people has asked me, is there an extension? Is PPP getting extended? What's really going on with PPP? And I am here to give you guys the latest and the greatest information. As you guys always know, my name is QUiNTiN Banks. Let's get right into this. Now, if you guys are still waiting on your PPP, or was wondering if it's going to, basically, is it too late? It looks like the Federal Reserve has extended PPP to July 30th. So you guys got until July 30th. I'm actually going to click on this link. That way you guys can actually see exactly the results and see what they're actually talking about. Now, some people are still asking, is it for people who are still on WOMPLY processing? And somebody said, I hope so. I've been waiting since May. Nothing. Everyone app that hasn't been processed before the June 30th deadline. Somebody said, I need my second promissory note. I've been waiting since April. Let's go ahead and see what they actually have to say regarding this. This is strictly from the IRS, Board of Governors of the Federal Reserve System. They begin to say the Federal Reserve Board on Friday announced it will extend for a final time its Paycheck Protection Program facility, or the PPP, by an additional month to July 30th. The extension is being made as an operational accommodation to allow additional processing time for banks, community development financial institutions, and other financial institutions to pledge to facility and Paycheck Protection Program, or PPP loans, approved by the Small Business Administration through the June 30th expiration of the PPP program. Now, what they're saying is this extends term credit to financial institutions making PPP loans, accepting the PPP loans as collateral. So guys, if you guys want to, or still were trying to put in that those PPP loans, it does look like it is open until July 30th. I don't know exactly, like I always say, I don't know exactly the full details as far as who, what, or when, but it does look like July 30th. Now it says the authority in the extension form June 30th to July 30th, 2001 was approved by the Secretary of Treasury. There's a number there. And guys, if you guys got questions, as I always say, you put in and try to contact a lender. That way you guys, number one, got all the information you guys needed. But this is strictly from the IRS website. I'm gonna leave this up here for a couple of seconds, as I always do. If you guys want to if you guys want to screenshot, look at it, go ahead and feel free to drop those comments below. You guys already know I got a lot of other content as well on my channel as well regarding the PPP loan as well. So I try to break those down on my channel to help you guys the best way that I can. You guys already know I'm here to help you guys. I got other financial institutions who watch my content as well. keep our blood going. Let's keep the positivity, the progression, all of that good stuff. My name is QUiNTiN Banks. At any time, if you guys got any questions, feel free to drop those questions, comments, and concerns below. As always, we talk about everything financial, whether it's entrepreneurship, financial freedom, stimulus checks. I give you guys the latest updates on all that stuff. So let's get into this, because a lot of my members were emailing me, messaging me about this. If you guys want to message me, feel free to message me on Instagram, Twitter, all that good stuff, or just drop a comment, whatever you guys feel. I will try to help you guys the best that I can. And yeah, I'm gonna read through some of these comments. And like I said, this is through WOMPLY. We will talk about Chime and glitches and all that other stuff later. So if you guys got these questions, feel free to drop it below, because a lot of people are dealing with this, just not yourself. One member began to say, we will be funded if you signed on 6/1. Today is our 20th day, including the weekends. As later posts have proven, we should go to borrow funded tonight. Granted, some may not, and that is okay, but we should be funded into our bank accounts no later than Wednesday. Of course, depending on your bank, sooner or later. Now, traditional banks, they tend to hold your money until Friday. Traditional banks like Chase, Huntington, Citizens, traditional banks. They're a bank that you can actually go to physically. These new age banks, everything is usually online, and they actually can push through, they actually give you your deposit sooner. Now, I talked about all that in my other videos, so if you guys want to, you guys can go to the playlist in the description. Feel free to check those videos out as well. They also begin to say, please stop being negative and just trust the process. Although glitches have happened along the way, the overall process has not strayed. Now take this info, relax, and chill. Have a fabulous day. They said it pretty well. That's the only thing that you really can do, is just remain patient, especially at times like this where a lot is going on. A lot of people still dealing with COVID. A lot of people have not received their stimulus checks. A lot of people have not received their PPP loans. So like I said, a lot is still going on, but don't be discouraged, because at the end of the day, we want to get everybody funded, and I am here to help you guys. I'm not here to speak negativity on nobody, But if you got WOMPLY Blue Acorns, it looks like people will be getting funded tonight. Now, a lot of people have been waiting for their funds a month, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Feel free to drop the comments below. Let me know how long you've been waiting. But it does look like people are getting funded tonight. So let's read some of the comments. They begin to say, thank you. I needed to hear that. I was getting so disappointed and nervous. You can apply for 51K since WOMPLY now delayed payment. Somebody said, how info. I believe I don't know how true that is. Oh, Heavenly Father, I want to believe this, but you can